Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a super simple and easy hairstyle. It takes me 7 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes, depends on how quick I am to create this hairstyle. I usually like to do it the day after I've washed my hair. I like to keep one day my hair like super nice and clean and straight, and then the day after, when it doesn't really look that well, I like to create this hairstyle. It actually holds better on my hair to create it the day after I've washed it. And yeah, today's video is going to be all about my hair. Little disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. I am not sure if I'm doing it right, but I like the result and you guys were asking for it, so here it is. Before we get into this video, please make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, that you've clicked on that ring bell button. This is the only way you're going to be notified whenever I'm posting new videos. Now, if you'd like to see how I've created this super simple and easy and effortless hairstyle, then please keep on watching. This is how my hair looks like a day after I've washed it. I was washing it yesterday morning. I only wash my hair in the morning. A little background about my hair, it's extremely fine right now. I had a period of time when I was losing a lot of hair, and now it's coming back. It's growing back. Because I've got such fine hair, I cannot use a lot of products, a lot of styling products. So I will show you exactly what I use after I get out of the shower. Literally, I do 3 pumps, like one here, and one here of this volume spray. If I apply too much of this, my hair is going to like flatten immediately. Then I also apply this. That was from Way. This one is Moroccan Oil Protect. It's a product that's going to protect the hair while you're blow drying. Then I just blow dry my hair in order to protect the hair from other very hot tools that I'm going to use on my hair. I'm going to start by applying this Memory Mist. This is a product that's going to hold the style that you're doing a little bit better, and it's also going to protect your hair. So I'm just going to spray this all over. Okay, now I'm going to section my hair, and I'll use this tool. You need this or this, just anything that would just, and I usually do this thing from the eye, go back. So I'm not like super perfect with the way I part my hair and everything. Then I bring all the hair, well, it's not a lot, but I bring it in front. And then this is the curling iron that I use. I have this for approximately 10 years maybe. It's from Vela Professional and it says Pro Curl Color. I do not know the size of the wand. You can adjust the temperature. Now I just brush a little bit of the hair, and then I just take small sections like about this size. I curl it, the first one, I curl it away from the face like this. I twist it. You see there is a little space between the two curls, and then I release it. And you see, now this is not really a curl, it's more like a bend. Let me show you how I do the next one. I do it the other way around. Let me show you. The reason why I do that is because at the end, when the hair is going to be down, the curves are going to be like this instead of all in the same direction. I kind of don't like it when it's in the same direction on my hair. Let me show you how I do it in here. So I twist it here. You have a bend. Let's take the next one. Next one is inside like this, and then I release it, and I continue like this for, of course, the rest of the hair. I leave another hair section down, like so. Again, the first piece of hair is away from the face. If your hair is holding a curl really well, maybe after you do a curl, you want to like pull it so that it's not too curly. Then I do this. I feel like the more I try to make it look perfect, the older it looks like on me. It looks like I'm having old woman hairstyle. And I don't want that, because I'm not old, says every old woman in the world. Is there anything we could do to prevent having white hair? Okay, now it's time to leave my hair down. And you can already see where my part is like not in the middle. I brush it, use this thing to put all this hair away. And then on this front piece, here's what I do. Like I come from on top and I do this. Sort of, yeah. You see? I love that. Okay, now the next piece of hair, I'll do it normally. So on this front piece, I do normally like I just grab the hair, twist it, and release. And you see we have that beautiful bend. First one away from the face, and the second one, you know the drill. Don't that just look fantastic? Yeah, this is how my hair looks like right now. I will not touch it for like 5 minutes until it cools down. After my hair is nice and cool, I'll use this dry texture spray. This is like a texturizing hairspray, also from Moroccan. And I just do this. And this is going to give that effortless hair look. It kind of gives volume as well. I usually like to do this, like put my hair back on one side. And this is how it looks like. It takes me 7 to 10 minutes to create this effortless hairstyle look. Depends on how fast I am. Every time I'm wearing this hairstyle, people are asking me about my cut, about my color, about my hairstyle, about every single detail about hair. I feel like this particular hairstyle just emphasizes the color. If you guys are into hairstyles, I strongly recommend you to watch Kate. She's the best at creating effortless, beautiful, very feminine looking hairstyles. She's got a lot of videos here on YouTube, but she's also very present on Instagram. You would absolutely love her Instagram. It's just so real, and watch her Insta stories. It's just so calming and relaxing. I love her account. Alright guys, this is my effortless hairstyle look. I love how it turned out. I mean, it's no other than the usual. I do this all the time. I would say it's my go-to for whenever I want to give a little edge to my whole look. And this looks good even the next day. If you have any ideas about hair or makeup that you would want me to recreate, please let me know and I'd love to do that for you. Make sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, that you've clicked on the ring bell button, that you follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!